Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Element Messenger account step by step. Element is a secure messaging platform built on the Matrix protocol, allowing you to chat, make voice and video calls, and collaborate across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Element website, or download the Element Messenger app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and select Create Account to begin. Next, choose the Matrix server you want to use. Most users can select the default Matrix.org server, while advanced users may choose a different server if their organization provides one. Now enter a unique username, create a strong password, and provide an email address if requested for account recovery and verification. Using a valid email address can make it much easier to recover your account if you ever forget your password. After filling in your details, review the terms of service if prompted, then click Create Account or Register. Depending on the server you're using, you may need to complete an email verification or CAPTCHA before your account is activated. Once your account is ready, sign in and complete the initial setup. You can customize your profile by adding a display name and profile picture, then begin creating rooms, joining communities, or chatting with friends and coworkers. And that's it. You now know how to create an Element Messenger account and start using secure, decentralized messaging across all your devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next